Hello friends, this is SriRam and you are watching my channel. Today we are going to start with another topic called as biodiversity and its conservation. So this is the chapter number 14th in class 12. So this chapter is not only important for understanding of our biodiversity, but also it is important for conservation of the nature. We are an integral part of this particular biosphere, so we must know how to conserve it. To start with, biodiversity is diversity of living forms on this planet Earth. So basically, biodiversity can be divided into three levels as genetic level diversity, species level diversity, and ecological level diversity or ecosystem level diversity. So genetic diversity deals with study of biodiversity at the level of genes, and species diversity is the study of biodiversity at the level of species, and ecological or ecosystem level diversity is diversity with respect to particular ecosystems. So if we talk about genetic diversity, India is a region where more than 50,000 strains of rice are available. Many of them are not been cultivated now. A few of them are only cultivated because of their commercial usage. So genetic diversity is very important in food crops. Okay. So genetic diversity is study of diversity at the gene level. We have more than 1,000 variety of mangoes. Okay. So each mango is different in its flavor, color, size, sugar content, taste and aroma. So we have more than 1,000 variety of mango. That's why it's the national fruit of our country. Then species level diversity. The number of species and the comparison of species between two regions we can say here. So if we talk about species diversity, Western Ghats has highest number of diversity of amphibians, species diversity of amphibians compared to the northeast part of India. Then ecological or ecosystem level diversity, diversity at the level of ecosystem levels. So if you compare ecosystems of two regions, okay, and compare them with respect to their biotic content, we call it as ecological diversity or ecosystem level diversity. Coming to the next part, that is called as species on Earth. So what is the number of species on Earth? Many people say imaginary numbers, or you can say according to their study they say they have more than 20 million species or 50 million species or 30 million species. But some of the recorded species is around, according to IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, the estimated identified number of species is around 1.5 million species we have identified. According to Robert May, one of the greatest environmentalists, it's around 7 billion species are available on this planet, out of which we have only identified around 1.5 million species. So coming to the next topic, okay, so number of species if you compare with respect to different regions or different levels. So if you talk about invertebrates, the maximum number of species is insects. So if you remember the class 11 chapter Animal Kingdom there, so in the Animal Kingdom the phylum Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the Animal Kingdom, and Insecta is the largest class in the Animal Kingdom. So out of every 10 animals in invertebrate, 7 are insects, which are not being, many of the insects are not being identified. Okay, so insects cover the largest majority. Next largest phylum is mollusca, then is crustacea, and remaining other invertebrates are having a very less percentage. So this pie diagram given in NCERT is very important in your NEET examination. They may give this particular pie diagram or pie chart, and they may ask you the questions based on the number of species in that particular pie chart. Coming to vertebrata, if you see vertebrates, half of the concentration of species is in fishes. So fishes, because they are aquatic, that means they are freshwater as well as marine forms, and the land, the earth is covered with a major amount of water as a major ecosystem. So fishes population, or the not population, sorry, fishes species are largest on earth compared to mammals, birds, reptiles and amphibians. If we compare these four groups, again birds have a major variety of species. Then if we talk about plants, in plants, see approximately you can say here around near to half fungi, largest species occur in fungi. Next are angiosperms, and in between these two major groups you have algae. Here algae, this portion is of algae, this portion is of lichens, and here moss and ferns. Okay, so this is the pie chart representing the different species in particular category of plants, vertebrates and invertebrates. Now what's the problem with biodiversity? That means why is such a confusion in the world about biodiversity, that we have so many number of species and still we are not going to identify? The lack of education. So lack of education is a major factor. Problem with the taxonomy branch is that nowadays most of the people not interested in taxonomy. They are interested in something which is about their career, earning money. You can earn money by this way also, becoming a taxonomist, but unfortunately in some countries they do not promote what you call as taxonomists. Okay, so generally taxonomy is a very good branch for study. So if you study taxonomy and do research in taxonomy, you are supposed to identify different species of organism on earth. But taxonomy is a lagging branch. Most of them are interested in applied branches of biology. If you talk about our country, people are interested in only two fields, that's engineering and MBBS. Other than that, people are not interested in the research and all, if they are interested. Again, the system of our education is not so perfect that it should promote the people who are interested, rather they promote the people who are eligible according to marks. Mark system, I don't believe in, people may have knowledge but no marks also. So people who are interested, who want to dedicate their life for the study of organisms, taxonomy of organisms, such people should be promoted. Unfortunately, we don't find such things in most of the countries. So taxonomy is a lagging branch. With this, I would like to stop this session here itself, and in the next session we'll continue with the next part of the chapter called biodiversity. Thank you.